the fuse. And I watch it burn, and somewhere deep inside I know there's a lesson to be learned. It's not the crime, but the way that we pay for feelings unmutual. And you go upstairs, and I hang my head. Somebody said I let myself down as I crawled into bed. I wondered why the hell I'd ever paid for feelings unmutual. I'm tired of living in the shadow. These paper walls I can't break through. I'm sick of standing by your window, tracing silhouettes of you. But when it gets dark, you light the spark, and all the lies I try to live by start falling apart. Whoever knew that it could be so painful, feelings unmutual. Now I can't escape these things I've done, but my anxieties have promised me the worst is to come. So give up living for the life that you paid for. Feelings unmutual have won. I'm tired of living in the shadow. These paper walls I can't break through. I'm sick of standing by your window, tracing